Hello everybody, today I am going to be making a massage bar for an order that I have. It will be in this mold here. I already have my base made here to save some time so we could get started. We are going to be using the purple liquid colorant today, and they requested it be scented in Lilac and Bloom fragrance. This is a Crafter's Choice fragrance, one of my personal favorite brands that you could get from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I also have my dropper that I will be using to measure out the appropriate amount of fragrance to add, and then just a wooden stick to stir everything together. It's a crafting stick that I buy in bulk. They actually sell them at the Dollar Tree for $1. You can get like a whole pack of these crafting sticks. So I'm going to start by just mixing up my base some, and then I'm going to add some purple colorant in. I'm using the liquid soap colorant. I prefer the liquid, but there is also Mecca powder and soap blocks. And then you will just keep adding colorant until you achieve the color that you're looking for. The more colorant you add, the darker or brighter the soap will appear. And right now it's looking pretty light, so I'm trying to make it a little darker. Alright, I like that shade. It looks good to me. Purple. And now I will measure out my fragrance. Dropper. They have like a 10 pack of these that I got at Wholesale Supplies Plus as well, that are very affordable. I drop some fragrance in and then stir before I add the rest. I don't add the full amount at once. How much of the fragrance you add depends on the fragrance and the amount of soap you are using. Each fragrance you should check the percentage of use on, and then you could calculate based off of the amount of soap you are creating. So I have that done. And I'm just going to do my final stir, make sure it's nice and mixed up in here. It smells amazing. And again, this fragrance is the Lilac and Bloom Crafter's Choice that I got from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And now I am going to pour into my massage bar molds. And then I normally let these sit overnight to get hard, because you don't want to take them out too soon. Make sure I get all of it in here. Alright. Then you will take rubbing alcohol between 70+%. Obviously, the higher the percentage, the better. And then you just spritz it a couple times. And what that does is it just takes off the bubbles off the top of the soap, it won't get in the soap. You don't have to list it as an ingredient. As it like dries and hardens, it like goes away. So that is it. This will be sitting overnight. When I wake up, I will pop it out and show you guys the final result. Quick and simple. The hardest and longest part is creating the base I had to use and getting that together. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me make the massage bar.